come to the Anaheim Packing House. Been told this is a really good place to come to eat and have a bit of a look around, so here we are. Some big roosters. Oh yeah, it's like a market. There you go. So far, market, busy, noisy.
Right.
Is it great?
I don't know.
Lots of people. Yeah. See what else we can find that's here. Hot bar, ice blocks. They've got some home craft flowers. Well, I think these guys are characters. It's like he's got his dressing gown on. Oh, downstairs we go. It's like the midway dance floor, halfway down.
I think we need a drink.
This is better down here, isn't it? Train. It's kind of nice looking. Oh, it is made to look like a train. That's kind of well done. Quite a quirky little sign. Changes pictures, puts their name on it. Whoever made that, it's pretty cool. Some pretty good stuff. Quite a cool place after all, like people were saying. It's a good place to come. Lots of different places to eat. It's like a big food hall full of, well, pretty much everything. Go check out all the beer taps. Not that I drink beer. Maybe I'll drink a little. It's noisy. Aha, I see. Beer and cider? Yep. Hey, get yourself beer and ciders from here. Straight to the desserts and the ice cream. Busy place, lots of people, noisy, plenty to drink, some fair old characters about.
I would like to go, but is any black people? Oh yeah. They speak your beautiful accent. I love that. I love it. I have their own language too. Are you guys visiting? How long you guys in town? 2 weeks. For Disneyland? Yeah, we're going. Yeah, I thought I was
So it is. Oh my god. Bar. Work on your tools while you're at it. Adaya, what's that?
Indian.
Oh, it's Indian. Haven't seen too much Indian here in America, to be honest. Had to know. But made a decision. Going up the other end to go get some curry. See what that's like. Maybe a beer. Is that good sign again? This vindaloo's really good for butter chicken. Yeah, they didn't have a huge selection, so it was chicken tikka masala or chicken tikka masala. I'll get it again.